Hi, Tara.
Hi.
Can you be on camera? Okay. All right. Your name is Tara, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You are able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, it's your first class with us today.
Yes,
So, we'll
ma'am.
be starting with you. So, we have taken the topic angles. Do you know angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what did you study in school today about angles? What do you mean by an angle, Tara?
An angle.
Mm-hmm.
Angle.
Okay. Tell me basic shapes you know. You know shapes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Tell me the shapes you know.
Square.
Right.
Triangle.
Right.
Triangle.
Very good.
Um.
So, this is a square, right?
Yes.
So, when you say they are forming an angle, two lines are making an angle here.
Yes, ma'am.
In rectangle also, how many angles are there in rectangle?
2, ma'am.
4. And in triangle, how many angles are there?
1.
1. How many sides are there in triangle?
3, ma'am.
3. So, there will be 3 angles.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you see the angles in a triangle? There are 3 angles, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You know what are the types of angles?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Right angle.
Right. What is right angle?
Right angle will be an L shape.
L shape. Okay. This is your right angle?
Yes.
Okay. Can you tell me how many degrees is of right angle?
What, ma'am?
How many degrees is of right angle?
90 degrees, ma'am.
Very good. So right angle is of 90 degrees. What is the other type of angle?
Acute angle.
Very good. What is acute angle?
Acute angle will be like a V.
Like this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So acute angle is less than 90 or greater than 90?
Less than 90.
Very good. So acute angle will be less than 90 degrees. Very good. Next is
Obtuse angle.
very good. What is obtuse angle?
It will be greater than 90.
Very good. It is greater than 90. And less than?
And less than 180 degrees.
Very nice. Okay. Any other angle you know? Okay. What do you say the angle which has 180 degrees?
Straight angle.
Very good. So this is one kind of angle, right?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Okay. That is a 180 degrees. So it's a straight line?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any other angle?
I heard about a reflex angle, but I don't know what it is.
Very good. Reflex angle. Reflex angle is greater than 180 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay. So if this is your line, this is your reflex angle. It is greater than 180 degrees.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. All right. Any other angle you know?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me a second. Few candidates would like to join the meeting. I'll just admit them.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Sona, hi. Hi, Sona. Can you be on camera, Sona? All right. Let's get back to this. Okay. Any other angles? Okay. If a clock is making, let's say 4 p.m. Okay. You know clock? If it is 4 p.m., what kind of angle is it? What kind of angle is this? Yes, Thara? You are on mute.
Ma'am, obtuse angle.
Very good. Harshan, are you there? Sona, are you there? Harshan and Sona?
Ma'am. Ashrit. Obtuse.
Obtuse. Okay. Can you be on camera? Sona as well. Okay. If it is 9 p.m., what will be the angle?
9 p.m. Right angle, ma'am.
Very nice. It will be a right angle. Okay. Can you tell me from things around you where the angle is obtuse?
What, ma'am?
Can you tell me one example in your room where the angle is obtuse?
Obtuse.
Any obtuse angle in your room? Yes, Sona? Any obtuse angle?
Laptop, ma'am.
Very good. Laptop. You're working on a laptop. Laptop is making
Yes, ma'am.
laptop is making an obtuse angle.
Yes, ma'am.
Very nice. Okay. There are few others. Let me admit people, then I'll get it.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Any example where you have 90 degrees angle?
90 degrees angle, ma'am. Table.
Table. Okay. The leg of the table is making 90 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Leg of the table is making 90 degrees. Okay. Any acute angle?
Acute angle.
Yes.
mm, Like if you close the laptop, you will get acute angle.
Okay. So you are giving me the example where if you close the laptop, that will be acute. Okay. So can we say if I am writing, my pen will be at acute angle with the paper?
Uh, yes.
Yes. Yes, Sona. Am I right? If I'm writing on a paper, my pen will make acute angle on the paper?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Let's see some questions since you already know all the angles. Okay, tell me. Which one of the following angles is not acute?
Um,
Not acute. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
Is 79 acute?
Yes, ma'am.
89?
Yes, ma'am.
1 degrees?
Yes, ma'am.
And 91?
No, ma'am.
No. So 91 is the correct answer. Okay, this is the only angle which is not acute. What type of angle is this? 91 degrees?
Obtuse angle.
Very nice. It's an obtuse angle. All right. Now count how many right angles are there in this diagram. Should I increase the size?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. I have, Prashant,
Ma'am,
I
two.
have not unmuted you. You can unmute yourself.
Four.
There are 4. There are more than 4. I can see more than 4. Yes, Sona. Tara.
Ma'am, 6.
6. No. More than that.
Ma'am, 8.
8. Okay.
1.
Any more? Can it be 16?
Yes.
Yes. Can you see how many angles are there?
Yes, ma'am.
How many? Tell me.
16, ma'am.
16. Very good. There is 4 angles inside this. And then you have these 4 angles. So the 2 intersecting lines are making 4 angles, right? So 4 into
Yes,
4 is how much?
4 16. 8, ma'am.
16. So there are 16 angles over here. 16 right angles over here. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, anyone?
No, ma'am.
This is one Olympiad questions which you get. Okay? Anybody appeared for an Olympiad? Maths Olympiad?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, you get these type of questions in your Olympiads. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Tell me which of the following angles is not obtuse. What is an obtuse angle?
Uh, longer than 90.
More than 90. And less than
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Very nice. Okay.
182
Kartika, can you tell me your name and everybody be on camera? Kartika, Sai Shri.
7.
Okay. All right. Now I want answers from Sai Shri. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Tell me which of the following angles is not obtuse? Is 91 obtuse?
No.
It is not obtuse. What type of
Yes,
angle is it?
Yeah.
It is an obtuse angle, right? 149.
Obtuse.
Obtuse. 179.
Obtuse.
Obtuse. And the last one, 182. Tara, what kind of angle is 182?
Reflex angle, ma'am.
Very nice. So this is not obtuse, but reflex angle. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you have to tell me in this figure, which of the following angles is reflex?
Ma'am, the one on top, ma'am, the A1.
A1 is okay. Is it reflex angle? No, A is not reflex angle. See, this is, if I make this diagram over here, this, if I draw this is 180 degrees. So this is less than 180 degrees.
No, ma'am.
So A is not reflex. A is obtuse angle. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. What is angle B? Yes, anyone who can answer this?
Right angle, ma'am.
Tell me what is B angle?
Right angle.
Right angle. Very nice. Okay. Angle C. What kind of angle is it?
Obtuse. Obtuse angle, ma'am. Obtuse.
Obtuse. Check again. Is it obtuse, Thara?
Acute, ma'am. Ma'am, C is acute.
C is acute. No, you have to see this angle. This is C.
Ma'am, it's elliptical.
It's a reflex angle, right?
Yes,
Because you are going more than 180 degrees, right? If I draw a straight line on this, it is more than 180 degrees. Reflex angle will be greater than
180 degrees.
180 degrees. Very good. And angle D is how much? Is angle D obtuse, acute?
Obtuse, ma'am.
Obtuse. Very good. So, which one is the reflex angle? Angle C is only the reflex angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. Which one of the following angles is acute? Half a right angle. How much is right angle?
90 degrees, ma'am.
90 degree. Half of the right angle will be how much?
45 degrees, ma'am.
45 degrees. Is 45 degrees acute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is acute. Is right angle acute?
No, ma'am.
No. So this is not acute. Right angle is of how many degrees?
90 degrees.
90 degrees. Very good. Saishri, 1.5 right angles is how much?
45.
That is half right angle. You need 1.5 means 1 right angle, 90 degrees plus half right angle. That is 90 plus 45, right? 1 right angle plus half right angle. So, will this be acute?
Ma'am, 135 is obtuse.
Yes, this is 135. Is 135 degrees acute?
Obtuse.
Yes, Saishri. It is obtuse. Very good. It is obtuse. 2 right angles is how much?
2 right angle.
Yes.
180.
180 degrees. Yes, Rishan. Very good. 2 right angles. Will it be acute? 180 degrees is acute.
180.
What kind of angle is 180 degrees?
Straight angle.
Straight angle. Very nice. It's a straight angle. Okay. Now count how many acute angles are there in the diagram. Everyone count.
Ma'am, 3, ma'am. Ma'am, 3, ma'am. Ma'am, 4. Ma'am,
Okay.
3. Ma'am, 3. Ma'am, 4.
C is not even an option to be. There are 10, 9, 7 or 4.
4, ma'am.
4. Okay. Let's count. Let's count. The one angle is this. The other one is this. Then third. Then fourth. Can I say this angle is also acute? The red one?
No, ma'am.
Why so? It is less than 90?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes,
Angle. This angle is also acute?
Yes.
Okay. This angle is also acute?
No. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So how many are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Yes.
Plus. Can I say angle? Okay. Can I say angle A? This angle is also acute? AOD?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it is less than 90 degrees.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is this angle, right? Any more angles I can say which is less than 90 degrees? Let me remove this now. Now tell me. We have taken AD, right? Can I take BE?
Yes, ma'am.
So +1. There are 9 acute angles over here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Count again. If I am correct, 9 or 10?
Ma'am 10. Ma'am 9. Ma'am 10.
9. Correct. 9 is the correct answer because we have counted everything now. Because AOE is, this angle will be obtuse angle, right?
Yes, ma'am.
And we have to find out only acute angles. Okay, this question is also from Olympiad, Maths Olympiad. Okay, International Maths Olympiad has this question. Okay, next question. Now you have to tell me what is a pentagram? Can you tell me? Have you studied 10 grams?
And 5,
No?
ma'am.
5. Correct. 5. Figure comprising of 5 sides is pentagram, right? Penta means 5. Okay. All right. Tell me how many acute angles are there?
5 acute, ma'am.
5 only? Not more than that?
10.
No, you have to be very sure of your answer. Okay.
Ma'am 15.
15. Okay. One is saying 15. One is saying 10. One is saying 5.
I think.
Okay. Let's count. Is this angle acute?
Yes, ma'am.
This angle?
Yes, ma'am.
This angle?
Yes, ma'am.
This angle?
Yes, ma'am.
This angle?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. Is this angle acute?
Which one, ma'am? Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
this angle is acute.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Obtuse angle. So this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle, this angle is not acute, right?
Yes, ma'am.
The red ones are not acute, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm 5.
5 is the answer. Correct. Because these angles are also obtuse,
First, I only said.
right? Very good. So 5 is the answer because other angles are obtuse angles. So how many obtuse angles are there then? Can anyone calculate?
5 abuse angle, ma'am.
No, more than 5. The red ones are the obtuse. Calculate, find out, count.
10. Ma'am, 10 abuse. Ma'am, 10 abuse.
Very good. 10 obtuse angles are there. Very good. 10 obtuse angles are there. This question is again from International Maths Olympiad. Okay, so you are getting trained for that too. All right. Next one. How many acute angles are there in this one? And don't give quick answers. First calculate, then tell me.
And 4. Ma'am,
4 is not an option. Their options are 5, 8, 9, and 10.
5.
5.
Yes, ma'am.
Only 5?
5, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, 8.
8.
5.
Okay, so everybody has different answers. Is this angle acute? Somebody start counting. I'm marking. Is this angle acute?
Yes, ma'am.
So 2 are there. Is this angle acute?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
This angle acute?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this angle acute?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is this angle acute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
So
ma'am.
how many are there? How many counted?
Six, ma'am.
Six.
Ma'am, five. Ma'am.
6. And is this acute?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This angle?
Yes, ma'am.
This angle?
Yes, ma'am.
And this angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me how many are there now?
Ma'am, 10, ma'am.
10. So there are, very good. There are 10 angles which are acute in this figure. Okay. Now I'll give you a trick. How do I do it? You see, if I am making two intersecting lines, these are called intersecting lines. Okay. So in intersecting lines, the opposite angles are always equal. If this angle is acute, this will naturally be acute.
விக்னேஷ் பிரசன்னா கால் பண்றா என்னன்னு கேளு கிளாஸ் இருக்கு
All right. So the
கிளாஸ்ல
opposite
இருக்கான்னு சொல்லி தப்பா
opposite
நினைச்சிட்டான் கட்
angles are
பண்ணிட்டேன்
acute angles. Okay, or always equal. So here I have just used that. I have used this one, so this will again be acute. This angle is acute, so this is 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 acute. All right. Anyone has any doubt? Okay. Let's see this question. If angle AOB is 67 degrees, what will be the size of the reflex angle? You have to tell me this angle. How much will be this? So what is the total degrees? One full rotation. How many degrees? One full rotation.
293 degrees, ma'am.
No.
Ma'am,
How
360.
Very good.
113.
One full rotation is of 360 degrees, right? So if this angle is 67, how much is this angle?
113.
So what we will do?
122.
What are you going to do in this question? Tell me.
Ma'am,
360 minus
7. I'm 427.
Okay. You let's ask one by one. Okay. Let's say Kartika.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
3
What you will do to find out the reflex angle here?
I will see the angle, how it will be.
Okay, Priyanka. Priyanka, are you there? Tell me what you'll do in this question. Subtract. Very nice. So you will subtract 67 degrees from this. You will get your reflex angle. Tell me, what is 360 minus 67?
Ma'am, 93. 293. Ma'am,
Very nice.
293.
So this is your correct answer.
One time more now. 293.
Anyone has any doubt with angles?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So shall we ask you more questions on this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. Let's try this question. if you have you studied what are complementary angles?
No, ma'am.
Okay,
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
all right, no problem. Tell me how many obtuse angles are in here. This is your
Yes,
figure. Just give me a second. I'll make the figure. A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, and A is a straight line. How many obtuse angles? Count.
Ma'am, and 3, ma'am. Ma'am, 3, ma'am.
Only 3 obtuse angles.
Ma'am, 2.
I can see more than 3.
3.
I can see more than 3.
It's one.
4, ma'am. I think 4.
Okay,
Ma'am, four.
all right. Let's count. Is this obtuse?
Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, this is not obtuse.
No, ma'am.
Okay, is this obtuse?
No.
No.
No. Very good. Is this obtuse?
Yes.
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 Very good. Is this obtuse?
Yes.
Okay. Is this obtuse?
No. No, ma'am.
No.
No, this is not obtuse.
Right angle.
Very good. Right angle. Let's say sorry.
And
Now let's come from F.
Two.
Let's say just is this obtuse?
no, ma'am. No.
No. Okay. Is this obtuse?
No.
No.
Okay. Is this obtuse?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this is obtuse. Very
Ma'am, yes.
good. Is this obtuse?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
So how many are obtuse then?
Four.
So
4.
one is till D, one is till E. So 4 angles are obtuse here. Can you find out how many are acute here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Find out.
5, ma'am.
Ma'am,
5.
four.
5.
No.
Ma'am, four.
No.
Ma'am, 8.
We'll have to come. I can see more than that.
I can see one.
You can see only 1. I can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 on.
No, there are more than that.
5.
6, 7. 5. That is more than that.
10. Okay. Can I say this angle is a acute angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Is this angle acute angle?
Yes, ma'am. Then
Yes.
3.
This angle?
Yes.
8, ma'am. 8, ma'am. Then 8.
So 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 angles. So 4 angles are obtuse and 8 angles are acute. How many straight angles?
Straight out. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Ma'am, one.
Mom, 1.
1 straight angle. Very good. 1 straight angle. Okay. Let me tell you one new thing for your Olympiad. What are complementary angles? The sum is 90 degrees. You know what is sum?
Addition, ma'am.
Very
Addition,
good.
ma'am.
So sum of two
Addition.
angles,
Addition only.
if it is equal to 90 degrees, the angles are called complementary angles.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, so this is new thing for you for your Olympiad questions. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
And you will be appearing for your Aryabhatta as well. In class 5, you will be have your Aryabhatta. So these type of questions are asked there also. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Okay. So you guys already know what are acute angles, obtuse angles now.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt, anyone? Any questions
up.
you want to ask me?
Amma kasi bagot na yun.
Anyone has any question?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, I haven't heard Sona and
No means.
Sharmila Devi. What's your name, bacha? Sharmila Devi with the ID Sharmila Devi. Yes. What's your name, bacha? You can unmute yourself.
Hello, madam. I am
Hello,
a parent.
hello.
I am the father of Advika, ma'am. She was
Okay,
here, but so just outside, she's gone outside, madam.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, no problem. So shall we stop here if you don't have any problems? Anybody has any question that you want to ask? You have any doubt in your classes?
ma'am.
Okay. So let's start with Thara. How did you like the class? You enjoyed the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You want more of these classes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
what other things you want in this class? Rishan, what other things you want in this class to happen other than just clearing your doubts? Tell me. Now Rishan is dancing. Okay, let's ask from Saishri. Saishri, you like the class?
Yes, ma'am.
And will you be there for the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Priyanka, your name is Priyanka, right? Okay, you joined a little late, so you missed the first part of the class. Any doubts you have with class? Okay, Thara, your parent is sitting with you. Can I talk to her?
What,
Yes,
ma'am?
ma'am.
Your parent is sitting with you. Your mom is sitting with you.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I
Yes,
talk to her?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. Good, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. How are you?
I'm doing fine. And you like the class since you were sitting with her?
Yes, ma'am. It was a good class, and she was also able to follow
Yeah.
and take
Anything else
notes.
you would like to add to the class? You want me to add to the class?
No, ma'am. I'm still trying to understand if this is a regular thing or how is this organized, ma'am. So,
Okay, okay. So our HR will contact the school. Okay. So you will get to know everything from the
okay.
school. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
It was a
Tara,
good
you
class.
can leave. Okay. All right, Rishan.
I really like the class, ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Me too, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye bye. Rishan,
Thank you, ma'am.
you there, Rishan? Okay, let's talk to Saishri. Saishri, how was the class for you?
It was too good, ma'am.
Good. Anything else you want from the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So you'll be appearing for the Olympiads also, right?
No, ma'am.
No. Why?
Because I don't know too much words, ma'am.
Okay. But you like maths, right?
Yes, I love.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Kartika? Kartika?
Ma'am.
Yes. Tell me, you like the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Anything you want to add to the class?
What, ma'am?
Anything you want me to add to the class?
No, ma'am.
Nothing else? Only studies? No play?
No, ma'am.
Okay. All right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Okay. Dr. R. Siva Ramakrishna.
Ma'am.
Okay. What's your name, bacha? That's your father's name, right?
Yes, ma'am.
What's your name?
My name is Vedishwara.
Can you say it again?
Vedishwara.
Okay, that's a little difficult for me to pronounce it, I guess. Yes? Okay, did you like the class?
Yes, ma'am.
So you were a little late to the class, so you missed a little part of it, right? So next time
ma'am.
onwards, you'll be on time so that you don't miss anything.
I will not miss.
Okay. Your dad is with you right now?
My mom is with me, ma'am.
Okay. I can talk. Can I talk to her?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yeah, hi ma'am, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, very fine ma'am. How are you ma'am?
I'm doing fine. So,
Okay.
you like the class?
Yeah ma'am, he is very interested in maths, so and he also very eagerly waiting to attend your classes and HNR revisions.
Okay. Thank you so much. And anything you want to say other than this?
Nothing ma'am, it's very good ma'am. It's very good and
All
it
right.
is easy to it is easy to follow him. Follow.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you ma'am. Thank you so much.
Yes,
Thank you,
Risha.
ma'am.
Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye. Yes, Rishan. You were late to the class today. Next time, I want to see you on time, right?
Yes.
Yes. So, you like the class?
Yes.
Yes. Only yes. Nothing else. You're at loss of words, right?
Yes. Mm.
Yes. Okay. Your mom is with you or dad?
No. My dad and mom is not with me.
Okay. They are not there? Okay. No problem. All right. Anything you want to say? Any doubts you have with the class?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Then you can leave the meeting.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.